how to get on the freeway the right way. Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with another video. But if you guys are watching this video, man, y'all basically know what the fuck's finna go on today. We finna go act the fool here in Mexico. Haven't gave you guys any POV footages yet of me driving the car with the Longtube Headers. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, I am E85, Longtube Headers, and a Lund tune, of course. But that's pretty much all the mods that we have on the car now. I'm gonna go ahead and get a chance to open the hood and show you guys everything we have down there. But I know a lot of you guys wanted to know how these Texas Speed Longtube Headers sound. Now, if you got wondering what size they are 1 7/8 inches Longtube Headers. I'm not even too sure if you guys can hear me real good, because you guys can see pretty much race mode right now. Got the seats out and everything. A race going on the other day. I'm gonna make a video about that. Not gonna talk too much about that right now, but we're gonna go get these exhaust clips for you. I'm gonna go ahead and do some downshifts, all that good stuff, as soon as we get some room and everything. But let's go ahead and see what the exhaust sound like right now. Woo, shit. Gotta love this fucking headers, dude. You gotta love these headers, man. Sheesh. Wondering if you should add some Longtube headers from your car, I'm pretty sure this video will convince you, because these headers sound so good. Woo, shit. I just love this fucking car, man. I'm not gonna lie. I don't regret buying this car. Not one bit. I'm in love. But as you guys can see, we got the big N-Gauge right there. Now, we are only 83% ethanol in. I know the N-Gauge doesn't read the exact ethanol percentages, but it's basically give you a roundabout of where you're at. Now, I did have some 91 in the car before I did this video, but I just dumped some E85 in there. So as you guys can see, the gauge is reading 83%. So we're somewhere near that range. I really hope that this video does convince some of y'all to purchase some Longtube headers. I promise you, it will wake your S550 up so much. Of course, with the Lund tune and the E85, your setup is just gonna be going crazy. Now, we have a lot more to do with the Mustang, but this is all just a start. I know a lot of you guys are telling me to go and invest me in an intake. Now, if I do get an intake, I will be going with this Theta closed box air intake. That's the one I really put my mind to so far. But right now, I do have a drop-in filter. I will be making a video about that. Hopefully that is the next video on the channel. But let's go ahead and see if we can hit the Mexico borders real quick and give you guys some clips. Love the fucking sound, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. I do wish that we could get a little deeper of a sound, because it is a little raspy. I would have thought with the Mustang, with this exhaust setup I have, if you guys are wondering, I am running the X-Pipe stock muffler still, and also the Longtube headers, as I said. Look like the highways in Mexico is opening up a little bit, so let's go ahead and try to Patrol. I think it might be, so. Woo! And I was right. That was for sure one of these Mexico Border Patrols. So it's a good thing that I did check right before. But let's see if we can get over. We're gonna just detour the route a little bit. Pulls I'm showing you guys aren't even full throttle pulls. That's the crazy part. Like I can't wait to open the car up fully. I haven't really got a chance to do that yet. I just could smell these tires burning. God damn. At least you guys can see we are pulling down some traction. If you guys were wondering what mode I was driving in, I am in track mode, as you guys can see. Now when I'm racing, I'm usually in my good old little drag strip mode, but for this video we're just gonna keep it in track. I like how the car drives. Like when I'm just daily driving, I want to get around with a vet. So if there's any vets out there, be sure to hit me up on Instagram. I'll be leaving that at the side of the video, so be sure to go hit me up on there. How to get on the freeway the right way. Ooh, we got the boys up there too.